Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mavuto. In this channel we discuss about different political science concepts, political theories and other topics which are covered in the field of political science. In our today's lesson we are going to look at the introduction to the political science. Keep watching, I'll be back soon with more details. So let's get started. In this lesson, we are going to answer two important questions. The first question is, what is political science? And the second question is, what do we study in political science? So let's begin with the meaning of political science. The word politics is derived from Greek word polis, which means city-state. Hence, political science deals with the activities of the city or state in which men live. Now, let's answer the first question by looking at the definition of political science. Definition of political science. Different political scholars have defined political science in various ways. Let's look at some common definitions of political science given by different prominent political philosophers. So as we are looking at these definitions, we need to analyze and understand them, because at the end we are going to come up with our own definition of political science. So the first definition of political science was given by Aristotle. Who is Aristotle? This is a great Greek political philosopher. He is regarded as the father or founder of political science because he was the first political thinker to use the word politics. He defined politics as a study of the state. James WILFORD GARNER, this is an American professor of political science. In his words, political science begins and ends with the state. It can be defined as a study of the man in the process of governing himself. Paul Genet, this is a French political philosopher. According to him, political science is the branch of social science that treats the foundation of the state and principles of government. Another definition of political science was given by Robert Gilchrist. This is an Indian scholar. According to him, political science deals with the general problems of the state and government. Therefore, it can be defined as a study of the state and government. Richard Guiteau, this is an American political scientist. He defined politics as a study of the state in the past, present, and future, the study of political organizations, the political functions of political institutions, and political theories. Harold Lasswell, this is also an American political scientist. He defined politics in empirical terms, maintains that politics is the study of shaping and sharing of power. According to him, the fundamental issue in politics is who gets what, when, and how. Stephen Leacock, this is a Canadian political scientist. He also gave his own definition of political science. According to him, political science deals with government. So in other words, he's trying to say that political science is the study of government. According to Harold Laski, this is a British theorist and economist. The study of politics concerns itself with the life of the man in relation to the organized states. So based on these definitions, we can now come up with our own definition of political science. We can therefore define political science as an academic discipline that deals with the systematic study of the state, government, political power, authority, influence, political institutions, political theories, political processes, and political forces. So in political science, we study the state, the government, political institutions, and political organizations. Guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and share my video with your friends. See you in my next lesson. Goodbye.